Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see top 10 richest people in Africa. We all know that there are different types of people in the world. There are poor people and there are rich people. The people in this list have either made their fortune by working for it and some of them have inherited the wealth. So before we start, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I posted a new video. So let's start. The number 10th most richest in Africa is called Mohamed Mansour. Mohamed Mansour, born in the year 1948, is an Egyptian billionaire businessman and former politician. Mansour gained an engineering degree from North Carolina State University in 1968 and a master's in business administration from Auburn University in 1971, teaching there until 1973. He has a fortune estimated at $2.3 billion. He is the chairman of Mansour Group, a $6 billion conglomerate company that is the second largest company in Egypt by revenue. The number 9th most richest in Africa is called Isabel dos Santos. Isabel dos Santos is an Angolan businesswoman that is the African's richest woman. Isabel dos Santos has a net worth estimated at $2.4 billion, and she is the eldest child of Angola's former president José Eduardo dos Santos, who ruled the country from 1979 to 2017. The number 8 most richest in Africa is called Koos Bekker. Koos Bekker is a South African businessman born in the year 1952. Koos Bekker has a fortune estimated at $2.6 billion. He is the chairman of Naspers Media Group, which operates in more than 100 countries. The number 7 most richest in Africa is called Naguib Onsi Sawiris. Born in the year 1954, is an Egyptian billionaire businessman. Naguib Sawiris has a fortune estimated at $2.9 billion. He is the chairman of Orascom Telecom Media and Technology Company. The number 6 most richest in Africa is called Issa Rebrab. Issa Rebrab, born in the year 1944, is an Algerian billionaire businessman. Issa Rebrab has a fortune estimated at $3.9 billion. He is the founder and CEO of Cevital Company, which is the largest private health company in Algeria active in production of steel, food, electronics and agribusiness. The company is producing more than 2 million tons of sugar in a year. The number 5 most richest in Africa is called Johan Rupert. Johan Rupert, born in the year 1950, is a South African entrepreneur. Johan Rupert has a fortune estimated at $5.3 billion. He is the chairman of Swiss-based luxury goods company that produces luxury goods such as expensive watches, rings, and jewelries. The number 4 most richest in Africa is called Nassef Sawiris. Nassef Sawiris, born in the year 1961, is an Egyptian billionaire businessman. He is the youngest among his brothers, that is Naguib Sawiris and Sami Sawiris.
Nassef Sawiris
has a fortune estimated at $6.7 billion. He inherited Oracom Construction from his father. He is also the executive chairman of Aston Villa Football Club. The number 10 most richest in Africa is called Nicky Oppenheimer. Nicky Oppenheimer, born in the year 1945, is a South African billionaire businessman and philanthropist. Nicky Oppenheimer has a fortune estimated at $7.5 billion, and he is also the richest person in South Africa. He is the chairman of DBS Diamond Mining Company, responsible for minerals such as diamond and gold. He is also the former chairman of Anglo American Group. The number 2nd most richest in Africa is called Mike Adenuga. Mike Adenuga, born in in the year 1953 is a Nigerian billionaire businessman. Mike Adenuga has a fortune estimated at $9.5 billion. He is the owner of Globacom, which is Nigeria's second largest telecom operator and is also present in Ghana and Benin. He has shares in Equatorial Trust Bank and the oil exploration, that is Conoil. The number one most richest in Africa, that is the most richest in Africa, is called Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote was born in Nigeria, more precisely in Kano in the year 1957, with a fortune estimated at $14.6 billion. Aliko Dangote is the richest man in Nigeria and the most richest man in Africa, and he is holding the position for more than 5 years. Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian business magnate, investor, and owner of Dangote Group. The Dangote Group is dealing in several factors such as cement, sugar, flour, salt, and more. I hope that you like this video. If you do so, give me a thumb up and let me know in the comment section below who impressed you the most.